guys, it's Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to make a cold process soap using our lemon verbena fragrance oil. Let's whip it up! Okay, so today we're going to make a cold process soap, and we're going to incorporate both French green clay and activated charcoal. So we're going to create a loaf that is half French green clay and half activated charcoal. And we're going to do kind of a diagonal through the loaf. So one triangle of the soap will be green and the other will be black. So how are we going to achieve this? We have French green clay, and to the French green clay we have added just a couple drops of the neon green fun soap colorant, just because we wanted a little more green. French green clay can actually be a little dull as far as color goes, as far as the green color goes. So we wanted it just a little bit brighter, added a couple drops of the neon green colorant. And then we have the activated charcoal. And we've pre-mixed these. We've added them to a little bit of our soaping oils. And I am going to put all of the amounts in the description, so make sure that you check there to see the amounts that we used. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. I've already melted our oils, so we have our oils prepared. And we have our lye solutions prepared. And we're soaping around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to do it in two batches. We're going to do the first batch and we'll create a green section of the soap, and we're going to let that set just a little bit, and then we'll go in and do the black layer. So we are going to go ahead and prepare our first batch. Okay, so while we're waiting for our soap to set up just a little bit, we're going to go ahead and set our mold up. I'm using just a box to prop my mold up. And what I will do, let me get this out of the way. We're just going to set our box here, and then we're going to prop our mold up at a 45-degree angle. Okay, and as we're pouring our soap, we're going to pour into the corner here that is towards the bottom, towards the counter. And now we'll just wait maybe about 15 minutes and come back and do the next round. Okay, so as you can see, we have a nice slant in our soap. Now we're ready to do the black layer. So we're going to go ahead and remove our box. We don't need that anymore. And we're just going to set it flat. And what we will do is we will just pour the black right on top. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to set this aside for a moment. Okay, now we're just going to pour right on top of our green layer. And now we're just going to go ahead and let it set up, and we'll come back and we'll get it cut. Okay, so now we are ready to remove the soap from the mold. And the last thing that we need to do is get it cut. So we'll go get our cutter and we'll cut the soap. All right, and now we'll just go ahead and let the soap cure, and then it'll be ready to use. Make sure that you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and you like the video. Until next time, we will see you later. Bye, guys.